3D printed Star Wars is not just exciting and captivating but also a revolutionary way to bring the galaxy far, far away into reality. With the advent of cutting-edge 3D printing technology, fans now have the power to unleash their creativity and create their own Star Wars-themed objects, from iconic characters to intricate spaceships, all with just a simple click of a button. In this exclusive video, we'll take a deep dive into the fascinating world of 3D printed Star Wars and uncover the secrets to making your very own unique creations. From finding the perfect design files that capture every intricate detail to mastering the art of 3D printing and adding those flawless finishing touches, we'll guide you on an epic journey to creating your little piece of the Star Wars universe. Get ready to embark on an adventure where imagination meets technology. The first crucial step is to locate the design files when embarking on the journey of 3D printing Star Wars-themed objects. The vast expanse of the internet houses countless online repositories. These digital treasure troves serve as a sanctuary for talented creators who generously share their meticulously crafted designs with the world. Within these repositories, a galaxy of Star Wars-inspired 3D models awaits, like the formidable Darth Vader and wise Yoda, as well as iconic spaceships like the legendary X-Wing and menacing TIE Fighter. Take a moment to immerse yourself in the boundless possibilities of these platforms, and let your imagination soar as you discover the design that sets your heart racing with excitement. Once you have discovered the ideal design, the subsequent step is to prepare it for 3D printing. Most online 3D models come in a file format known as standard tessellation language. These files encompass all the information for the 3D printer to bring the object to life. To ensure a successful print, it is crucial to scrutinize the file for errors or issues using specialized software. These tools are invaluable in identifying and rectifying problems like holes or intersecting surfaces that could lead to printing failures. With the design file ready and your imagination soaring, it's time to embark on your Star Wars creation journey by carefully selecting the perfect filament. Filament, the magical material used by the 3D printer to meticulously craft each layer of your object, offers a world of possibilities. Among the options are polylactic acid and acrylonitrile styrene, each boasting unique properties that can elevate your creation to new heights. For those just starting, PLA is often recommended for its user-friendly nature and vast array of color options, allowing you to bring your vision to life in vibrant hues and captivating shades. So, gear up, choose wisely, and let your Star Wars masterpiece take shape, one filament layer at a time. Now comes the exciting part, printing your Star Wars masterpiece. First, take a moment to ensure that your 3D printer is properly calibrated and the print bed is leveled. This step is crucial as it guarantees that each layer of your model is printed with utmost precision and adheres perfectly to the bed's surface, resulting in a flawless final product. Next, carefully load the chosen filament into the printer, ensuring a smooth and uninterrupted material flow throughout the printing process. Whether you've opted for a vibrant Jedi lightsaber or a stunning Millennium Falcon, the printer will diligently work its magic, bringing your favorite Star Wars character or spaceship to life layer by layer. Now, sit back, relax, and immerse yourself in the mesmerizing transformation before your eyes. Witness the gradual emergence of intricate details and see your creation come to life in all its glory. It's an awe-inspiring experience that captures the essence of the Star Wars universe, leaving you with a tangible reminder of your passion and creativity. The duration of the print will vary depending on the size and complexity of the model. For larger objects, the printing process may extend over several hours or, in some cases, even days, calling for a considerable amount of patience. It is essential to remain attentive during the initial layers of the printing process, as this crucial stage often requires close monitoring to identify and address any potential issues that may arise. By maintaining a watchful eye throughout the printing process, you can ensure the successful completion of your print with optimal results. After printing, it's time to remove the object carefully from the printer's build plate. A spatula or other appropriate tools can be used for this task. Look closely at the object for any imperfections that may have occurred during printing. Additional steps may be necessary depending on the desired quality and personal preference. These can include smoothing rough edges through sanding, filling gaps with putty, or applying a primer before painting. Regarding 3D printing your Star Wars objects, the possibilities and design options are limitless. So, let's embark on an exciting journey into the realm of Star Wars-inspired designs and objects and how you make them come to life with 3D printing that can be brought to life with just a few simple clicks. Number 1. Custom lightsabers. Crafting personalized lightsabers involves leveraging computer-aided design software. You can intricately design hilt shapes and grips. Utilizing a 3D printer, you can easily translate their digital blueprints into tangible hilt components. Optimal materials such as ABS or PLA filaments ensure durability, and crystal-infused filaments add a realistic touch to mimic the iconic glow of lightsaber crystals. 2. Blasters and holsters. CAD software enables precise design specifications for tailoring blasters and holsters to individual preferences. The combination of a 3D printer and durable materials like PETG facilitates the seamless transformation of digital designs into functional and authentic components. The layer-by-layer printing process ensures meticulous detailing, resulting in high-quality craftsmanship. 3. Stormtrooper helmets. The process of crafting intricate Stormtrooper helmets commences with the utilization of CAD software, granting you the opportunity to incorporate personalized elements. By utilizing a 3D printer, the digital design is meticulously brought to life, layer by layer, utilizing the durable ABS material. Subsequent post-processing techniques are employed to refine the final finish, resulting in a helmet that impeccably captures the iconic Stormtrooper design. 4. Droid components. Creating modular droid parts inspired by iconic characters such as R2-D2 requires the use of sophisticated CAD software customization. By utilizing carbon fiber-infused polymers for added strength, assembling astromech components becomes a breeze. The precision of a 3D printer allows for meticulous layering, reminiscent of constructing a bolt carrier group. 5. Custom Jedi holocrons. Creating personalized inscriptions on Jedi holocrons is made possible through high-resolution design techniques such as stereolithography or digital light processing. Using a 3D printer, resin materials meticulously capture intricate details, while metallic filaments add an authentic touch. With these methods, you can effortlessly bring your intricate designs to life. 6. Star Wars chess set. Developing a Star Wars-themed chess set involves meticulous planning and the use of CAD software for precise design. Each chess piece can be brought to life using a 3D printer and either PLA or ABS filaments. To add the final touches, post-processing techniques such as sanding and painting can be employed. This careful process ensures that every piece is a masterpiece in its own right. 7. Character busts and figurines. Designing intricate busts or figurines of beloved Star Wars characters demands utmost precision, achieved through the use of PLA or resin-based filaments. A 3D printer guarantees the meticulous layering of filaments, capturing every minute detail of facial features and attire. These lifelike renditions serve as tangible expressions of fandom, bringing cherished characters to life in stunning realism. So here's how you can transform your love for Star Wars into tangible creations with the help of 3D printing technology. While the process may seem simple, it seamlessly integrates intricate components to produce extraordinary results. Hope you have found this video to be informative and interesting. If you do, then please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such content. So, the next time you want to bring your Star Wars universe to life, you know what to do to make it happen.